A new LG Smart TV can feel confusing when the setup wizard, network options, and device connections appear all at once. In this video, I will show you how to set up your LG Smart TV from the first power on until it is ready to use. You can complete the setup using the LG Magic Remote, a standard remote, or the LG ThinQ app. Menu names and available features may vary depending on your TV model, webOS version, country, and region. We will cover remote pairing, internet connection, LG account setup, HDMI devices, antenna channels, apps, software updates, and common setup problems. Before starting, prepare and position your LG TV carefully. Check the quick start guide for your exact model and make sure the remote, batteries, power cable, stand parts, screws, and other included accessories are present. Attach the stand by following the instructions for your specific model, or prepare the TV for proper wall mounting. Insert the batteries into the remote, then connect any HDMI, Ethernet, antenna, cable, or satellite cables that may be difficult to reach after the TV is positioned. Do not open the television panel or attempt internal repairs. Once the TV is in place, connect it to power and turn it on. Press the wheel or OK button on the remote to begin the setup wizard. If you are using a Magic Remote, wait about 20 seconds, point it toward the TV, and press the wheel or OK button to register it. If the pointer does not appear, check the batteries and try again. If necessary, use the correct unpairing and repairing button combination for your remote model. Before buying a replacement Magic Remote, confirm that it is compatible with your LG TV model and model year. An incompatible remote may operate the basic buttons while the pointer and voice features do not work. Next, choose whether you want to continue the setup directly on the TV or use a mobile device. For remote setup, select your preferred language, country or broadcast location, and time zone. Choose the correct region because available apps, services, voice functions, and menu options can vary by location. Select TV or the similar home use option when prompted. The order and wording of the setup screens may differ depending on your webOS version. Now connect the TV to the internet. For a wired connection, connect an Ethernet cable from your router to the LAN port on the TV. For Wi-Fi, select your network name, enter the password carefully, and connect. If the network does not appear or the TV will not connect, make sure the router is turned on and enter the password again. Restart the router and TV if needed. You can also move the router closer, reduce wireless interference, or temporarily use an Ethernet connection. After connecting to the internet, review the terms of use and privacy policy shown during setup. Accept the agreements required for the smart services you plan to use. Sign in with an existing LG account or create a new account when prompted. You may be able to skip this step and sign in later, but an LG account may be needed for downloading apps and using certain smart or voice features. You do not need to enable every optional agreement or AI feature. The TV will now search for connected HDMI devices. Turn on your cable box, satellite receiver, game console, streaming device, or Blu-ray player so the TV can detect it. Choose how you plan to watch television, such as through an HDMI set-top box, antenna, direct cable connection, supported satellite connection, or no TV service. If a device shows no signal, make sure the correct input is selected. Reconnect the HDMI cable, confirm that the external device is turned on, and test another HDMI port or cable if needed. On supported models, you can also use HDMI diagnostics or the built-in picture test from the Quick Help or Support menu. If you are using an antenna or a cable connection connected directly to the TV's antenna input, run auto tuning or channel tuning and allow the scan to finish. You do not need to scan for channels if your cable or satellite box is connected through HDMI. In that case, simply select the HDMI input connected to the box. When the placement and smart feature options appear, select whether the TV is placed on a stand or mounted on a wall. Review the available AI picture and AI sound demonstrations, then enable only the features you want to use. You can skip any option that is unavailable or unnecessary. You may also select recommended streaming apps to install during. Set up or skip them and install apps later. App availability depends on the LG TV model and selected region. To use the LG ThinQ app during the initial setup, select mobile device and follow the QR code instructions shown on the TV. Keep your phone connected to your home Wi-Fi, then install or open the ThinQ app, sign in, allow the required permissions, and follow the on-screen steps. If you are connecting the ThinQ app after completing the TV setup, make sure the phone and TV are connected to the same Wi-Fi network. Add the television in the app, then enter the PIN displayed on the TV screen. If the television is not found, temporarily disable mobile data, confirm that both devices are on the same network, move closer to the router, or add the TV manually. Restart the TV, router, and app if the problem continues. Reinstall ThinQ only as a final app troubleshooting step. After reaching the home screen, check for a software update. LG software updates can fix bugs, improve performance, and improve the compatibility of existing features. Test the remote, Wi-Fi, apps, HDMI inputs, antenna channels, picture, and sound. If setup freezes, restart the TV before trying anything more serious. Use reset to initial settings only as a final option because it removes your completed setup and returns the TV to its original state. If the TV has no power, first check the power cable and electrical outlet. Disconnect the TV from power and perform a basic power reset, then try turning it on using the physical power button. If it still does not turn on, has visible physical damage, or the same picture problem also appears during the built-in picture test or screen self-diagnosis, contact LG support. That's it for this video on how to set up your LG TV. I hope this step-by-step guide helps you complete the setup, connect your devices, and fix any common problems along the way. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more useful tech tips. Have any questions, or did you face a problem during setup? Let me know in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.